So now we are gonna look on the Leetcode's 540th problem, that is the single element in a sorted array problem. So here we can see the question. So you can pause the video once and can read the question once. So actually what it is given in this question is that here they have given an array. So this array contains only integers, and each element will be uh, mentioned twice in this array, but only one element, exactly one element, will be appearing once, and we need to find that element. So here you can see that I have commented some 3 lines, like 3 4 5. You can see that these 3 lines have commented. At first I actually tried it, so but there was a test case in Leetcode that actually made me to follow these code, that is from 6 to 15. So it made me to try in this binary search code, something like partial binary search code, because why I can't use it, because Leetcode was showing me time limit exceeded. So something like 5000 integers in a list, so it's having a very big time complexity. So in the question you can see you must run in O log n time and O of 1 space. So since searching takes place so long, and in that test case, actually 15 test cases got me right, but only one test case, that is the test case where I got time limit exceeded. So now let me explain this code. So first we are taking low and high variables. So low variable, I'm mentioning it as 0, that is the beginning starting index, and high variable is the end index. Okay, so we are making a while loop, and in this while loop we are taking mid value. I'm using float here so that I don't get any decimal, and also you can see here I'm using if mid mod 2 is equal to 1, mid minus is equal to 1. Why I'm using it is because so here in this question you can see that they have given integers appear twice, exact same integers appear twice, only one integer will be appearing once, right? So since it appears twice, if I have a mid value, even mid value, it doesn't need to be even, but something like in a logical way, if it's even, I can easily compare the pairs, right? Since index starts from 0, I'm actually minusing the mid value by 1 if it's not even. If the mid value is not even, I'm just repeating it once. If the mid value is not even, we would be shifting the mid value by -1, so that we can safely compare the pairs. Okay, so now let's if and else statement. This if and else statement, actually what it does is that it's the actual core part of the binary search. So if num of mid is equal to the mid plus 1, that is the next value of mid, we would be incrementing low is equal to mid plus 2. Why? It is because it's that those values are equal, so we don't need that value, right? So we are moving to next value. Since two pairs is a pair is exactly equal, we are adding 2. Else we will be mentioning it as high is equal to mid. Okay, so high is equal to mid is nothing but we are actually making that same mid value as the high value, not any other value. And okay, if low value is equal to high value, if both values get equal, then we would be proceeding with the low value, that is since they are equal, it would be almost it would be the low value, so we will be returning the low value. That's all about this question, the 540th Leetcode problem. And here is an easy alternative of this code. So that's all about this video. So I've shared about the code, that is the 540th Leetcode, now with you all. I'm actually learning, I'm actually as same as like I'm just learning, trying to practice lots of problem solving stuffs, and I also want to share it with others, like so that I can teach someone and I can also remember those patterns very well, right? So that's why I'm just sharing and making this video. If there are any alternatives you think you can make up with this code, you can put it in the comments. Okay, bye. Thank you.